Hello, my name is Sonia, and I'm going to talk about neuromorphic computing for my Tech Talk today. So, you may wonder, what is a neuromorphic chip? Basically, neuromorphic chips seek to mimic the human brain. The current problem with AI and computer processors is that AI is advancing fairly quickly, while the processors AIs run on have made very little change. So scientists have decided to redesign existing processor hardware to fit the demands of AI. The approach they are taking is to design processors that work more like the human brain. So, how do neuromorphic chips work? To start with, the human brain has billions of neurons that form connections of synapses with other neurons. The synapses work as a bridge for the nerve cells to communicate. This allows for us to process our environment, move our muscles, and so on. Neuromorphic chips seek to copy that model by relying on a densely connected web of transistors that mimic the activity of ion channels. These chips are able to integrate memory, computation, and communication all together. Standard chips that are used today are built using the von Neumann architecture, where processors and memory are separate and data moves between them. Neuromorphic chips change the model by having both storage and processing connected within the neurons. This allows for much faster data transfer. Why is it useful? The goal is to transform computers from calculators to machines that can learn from experience and make decisions. Technology that can result from these chips may include combat robots that could decide how to act in the field, or even a smartphone that can cheer you up when you're sad. Who is working on it? At Stanford, there is a research group called the Human Brain Project that is working on constructing two large-scale, unique neuromorphic chips and prototyping the next generation of neuromorphic chips. As with all new and emerging technologies, there are hurdles to overcome. According to MIT, there is a difficulty with being able to precisely control the analog signals. The intensities of the signals are needed to vary in a constant and consistent fashion. Attempts to find a suitable medium for these varying electrical signals to travel through have been previously unsuccessful because the current ends up spreading out. These are my citations, and thank you for listening to my Tech Talk.